Okay, so I've got an 88 Ford Ranger 2.9 V6. It's got a problem and I don't know what to do with it. So originally the truck had a bad fuel pump, so I put a new fuel pump in it. It's got 40 pounds of pressure at the rail. You can stick gas in it and it'll turn over and it'll run as long as you keep putting gas in the thing. But other than that, it won't stay running. Change the injectors. It's getting spark at the injectors. It's actually will run if you put gas in it. I'm at a loss what to do with it. It's not a bad looking truck, but I just can't get the thing to fire off and actually stay running. If any of you guys that go on here, try to either PM me or post on it or whatever. I have put the little Noid light on one of the injector clips there, and it actually was getting fire at the injectors. So I truly don't know what it is. It's almost like it's not getting any fuel through the injectors. I actually took the injectors out of it and changed the seals and stuff on them and cleaned them out and made sure everything worked on them. They actually open and spray and got a real good pattern and stuff on them. So like I said, guys, I don't know what to do with it. I'll post this up tonight and see if anybody here will have any idea where I need to go from here, because I don't know what to do to make it run. So just PM me or post on here or something and let me know if you guys have any other ideas besides of what I've done. Thank you much.